The structure of a flower. Objective: to learn the structure of a typical flower. Flowers come in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, and they serve as the reproductive structures of flowering plants. Although flowers differ in so many ways, their primary components always remain the same. To better understand the structure, let's create an imaginary flower and look at the parts. A flower will extend from the plant on a small stalk called a peduncle. The tip of the peduncle will widen into a receptacle that holds the different parts of the flower. These parts are the floral whorls. The whorl is the arrangement of petals or sepals in a circle around a specific point. A flower is made up of 4 concentric whorls: the calyx, the corolla, the androecium, and the gynecium. The calyx is the outermost whorl, and it is made up of leaf-like structures called sepals. This layer protects the flower during the bud stage and also helps during photosynthesis. The next floral whorl, the corolla, is made of the familiar colorful, delicate structures called petals. The petals are usually colorful, from the bright yellow of a sunflower to the reddish pink of a rose. Petals also grow in a variety of shapes. The corolla attracts insects such as bees for the purpose of pollination. The androecium is the next whorl. This is the plant's male reproductive organs, which are the stamens. Each stamen is generally made up of a thin, long filament on which anthers are present. These anthers contain pollen. As they mature, they will split open and release pollen grains into the air. The last whorl is the gynecium, also called the pistil. This is the female reproductive organ of the flower. The pistil consists of a swollen ovary at the base, a long tubular structure known as the style, and a sticky tip called the stigma. If we cut the ovary into half, we can see chambers known as locules, in which ovules are attached. These tiny ovules are the future seeds. Summary: the flower is the reproductive structure of a flowering plant. The flower is made up of 4 whorls: the calyx, the corolla, the androecium, and the gynecium. The calyx is made up of sepals. The corolla is a group of petals. The androecium is the male reproductive organ of a flower. The gynecium is the female reproductive organ of a flower.